We started our second day negotiating the Priory's perilous spiral staircase. They'd made a lovely breakfast for us.
Morning, Kat.
Good morning. We have had a lovely stay.
Oh, it's been so nice, so nice. How did you find having no signal, no internet for the night?
It's interesting. In some ways nice, and in some ways a little inconvenient and frustrating.
It's a bit disconcerting, isn't it? You suddenly realise how much you turn to your phone for every single thing that you think of. Oh, I'll just look that up. Oh, I'll just check that.
Yeah.
You can't do any of that.
I mean, which is nice, and I just had to go and get a book from the little library they have here and read, and I enjoyed being really quiet, but there were things like weather forecasts we wanted to check.
Yeah.
And you just have no option, so...
Yeah. But it is, and of course it's only just for one night, so it's nice to be forced into taking a break.
Yeah, but a lovely place. The people are so lovely, helpful. We had a lovely little living area. We had a bath.
Delicious, delicious food as well.
Oh yeah, the food was
really,
great.
really good.
And we had a bath so we could soak after climbing hills.
Yep, to get ourselves ready to climb some more.
Yeah.
We've got 3 in store for today, but the distance is ever so slightly less than yesterday, so yeah.
It'll be interesting to see how 3 and a shorter distance compares to 2 and a longer distance. The first one is just there. Might not be able to quite see it, but we'll be heading up there in a minute.
Yeah.
And the weather...
The forecast is changing every time. Well, yeah, we haven't been able to look at it. Our hosts have looked at it for us, and it's been varying degrees of it's going to get nicer later to yellow warning for thunderstorms. So I don't know what we're going to get.
Yeah,
we've got all the waterproofs. It feels a bit chillier this morning. I'm quite cold, so I'm looking forward to heading up the hill. It'll probably be about 15 minutes before I regret saying that. But I'm looking forward to warming up.
Yeah.
Should we go?
Yeah, let's go and warm up by climbing a mountain.
We left the Priory behind and headed for our first peak of the day, Baalbach.
Lovely morning.
Good morning. As we neared the top of Baalbach, the sun broke through, which gave us an unexpected morale boost after all the rain.
We headed along a ridge dotted with the odd sheep and carpeted with bilberry bushes, which were the most beautiful colour.
As we descended into the next valley, the weather got better and better. The valley inevitably led to the start of a new climb, but we were excited for this one as we knew there was an interesting historic building we would soon reach. St Issui is a Grade 1 listed church, mainly built in the 14th and 15th centuries, but dating as far back as 1060. Well, we are in a very nice place.
Beautiful, beautiful. This tiny little church, seemingly in the middle of nowhere in the mountains. I guess that's the theme for this trip. Yesterday was a priory in the middle of nowhere in the mountains.
And the ruins of a church on the mountain top.
That's true. And we also passed another tiny little chapel on our route this morning as well. It's a bit windy.
It is. We've had every weather today so far.
Every weather available,
But
apart
it has
from snow.
Apart from snow, but it has been much nicer than expected, so please let that remain.
Yeah, it could have been much worse, couldn't it?
Yeah, we were not expecting to be worried about the sun today. But
No, that's true. We've done a generous third of our route. We're going quite slow. I think we're a bit tired, but we're about to do our second big ascent before we stop for lunch, and then I think it'll feel, even though there's one more hill to do, it'll feel like we're on the downhill.
Yes.
I don't really want to eat a pasty and then go up a mountain. So.
But we've already done a little ascent at the start of this mountain. We'll get to the top, have lunch.
Unless it's hammering down, which
Yeah.
it quite well could be by the time we get there.
Yeah. But it has been, I think, exceeded expectations again today.
Unexpectedly beautiful. I'm really, really enjoying it.
Yeah, me too. Pounded by rain at the beginning, but then it levelled off.
Yeah,
and
it's been
nice.
sunny and windy, which is perfect because it lets you get dry, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it's good. Shall we head on?
Let's go up that hill that we're looking at. After the lovely warm spell, we were unprepared for the howling winds that hit us as we emerged onto the second peak of the day, Crickhowell. After filming for a minute or two, we headed for lower ground as fast as we could.
Luckily, we were out of the wind very quickly and found ourselves following another ridge with absolutely stunning views.
As we headed into the valley, we kept a lookout for a lunch spot. Under a tree with a view out over the valley seemed like a good idea.
After lunch, we headed for our final peak of the day, Table Mountain or Crickhowell.
There was both bright sunshine and rain as we headed down into the next beautiful valley. We started to notice some building materials up ahead, and to our consternation we realised these were laid out ready to build a bridge, presumably to replace the old bridge which was now gone.
There's definitely going to be a bridge.
Hello.
Well,
Had some adventures.
it's been quite an adventurous afternoon.
Yep. We have had our lunch, late lunch. We've done 2 mountain up and downs.
Yeah, 2 out of 3. We really wanted to get the second up out of the way before we ate. But then at the top it was really exposed and really windy, and then we had to go most of the way down to find somewhere that was a bit more sheltered to stop and eat.
Yeah, we found a lovely spot though.
It was beautiful, and it had this amazing huge fungus.
Yeah. And a tree that made little squeaks and groans as we sat underneath it in the wind.
It was lovely. And then we went right down into the valley, down to the river,
This valley here.
and there was very clearly supposed to be a bridge, and evidence that they were planning to build a new bridge, but no
bridge.
no bridge.
And we've just arrived on the other side, started to come out of the valley, and we've found a sign here that warns of that.
I do wonder if there was a sign on the other side that we missed, but
I can't imagine where it would have been.
yeah, I don't think so. We've been paying quite close attention to the way markers and stuff, so
But
anyway, we survived.
Katie likes cold water.
I do, and it wouldn't be a Wales Adventures if we didn't have to take shoes off and wade through a river. It happened to us last time, so now I feel like, well, it was going to happen.
Yeah, it was fun. I like little, as long as it's not too perilous, I like little things like that.
Yeah.
They kind of keep you interested when you're flagging towards the end of the day.
And we've had a really extended bit of sunshine, but we have just got rained on again.
Yeah.
Feels like it's turning again right now. We've got one more up, not as big as the others, and then down into the town of Crickhowell.
Yeah, but considering we were scared of lightning, thunder and potential hail, we've had a great day.
Yeah, it's really been far better than expected weather-wise and terrain-wise as well. It's been really beautiful. I've loved it.
Yeah, me too. Now we've got to do the final bit up and down and then car and home.
Yes. Should we do it?
Yeah.
We enjoyed the now familiar moment of emerging from the tree line onto higher ground, where the trees gave way to bracken and the views opened up.
We could see Table Mountain up ahead, and the sheep were heading that way too. On this stretch of hill I started to be tormented by flies that wouldn't stop buzzing around my head. I hiked on as quickly as I could, hoping that getting away from the bracken onto even higher ground would help. Thankfully, as the path opened up a bit, I got some relief. The sun came out for our final climb to the peak of Table Mountain, and there was even a rainbow.
It was spectacular up on the top of Table Mountain. The sun was shining, the wind was blowing, and the views were incredible in all directions.
The town of Crickhowell, where we would end our day, was spread out in front of us as we started the descent.
The final walk to the town went on and on. We never seemed to get any closer. There was a long rocky stretch and the weather didn't seem able to settle on one state for very long.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how knackered are you?
I'm 9.9. What about you?
9.7.
Okay.
I feel like, I don't know, when we got to the last peak, I felt like we were really close to the end and the downhill has taken a long time.
Yes, there's been an oddly interminable stretch.
It's been hard on the feet.
Yeah, lots of pointy rocks to scramble over, a dark tunnel of trees where we couldn't see very much. But our final mountaintop was something spectacular.
Oh, it really, really was. It's just, yeah, the best mountain of the day.
Oh yeah. We had it all to ourselves. It was like a sun-filled golden carpet of grass on the top.
No rain. Well, a bit of rain. Not very much rain.
Yeah, views in 360 degrees, rainbows.
Not too windy, a little bit windy, like pleasantly windy.
But pleasant, as opposed to the second one, which was comically windy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just absolutely, I felt really giddy coming down off the top of there because it was so stunning.
It's been longer than expected. I think today was supposed to be a good bit shorter than yesterday, and we're coming up on matching the same mileage total, which feels a bit long. It's probably why we're feeling so exhausted.
Yeah.
Definitely ready for a hot bath, a hot dinner, a lie down.
Yes.
But it's been great. Can't wait until next year to do the next leg.
I know, I'm excited. I was so happy we were worried. I mean, the first day we had certain peaks that we were on where we couldn't see anything. There was no visibility at all, and today we could see everything.
Oh, it's just been extraordinary, given the weather forecast that we were presented with this morning, thinking that we wouldn't see anything. It's really been very special, and I really loved having the contrast of the cloudy, misty day yesterday and then
expansive views today.
Yeah.
Couldn't have asked for anything better, really.
Yeah. I have had a slight problem being bothered by flies at certain points. One just landed on my nose just now. I hope the camera captures that.
I'm feeling, I don't know, normally when insects go for someone, they go for me, so it's been really nice that it hasn't been me, but I do feel sorry for you, Kat. I'm sorry, it's been such a bothersome time with the insects.
It was very short stretches, thankfully. Shall we head into the town?
I'm just going to nap here. You carry on.
Okay, well, bye. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you on the next adventure.
Are we tired yet?
Yeah.
And it's very windy.
It is.
Can we start again?
Yes.
Path closed, bridge washed away.
We need to film that.
We do.
Where were we supposed to go then?
Fourth. 2 F's is F. 2 D's is V.
Thank you for watching this second part of our Beacons Way series. The first part is over on Katie's channel. Follow the link on screen or in the description box below. We also have a Ko-fi account if you've enjoyed coming along with us and want to contribute to our next adventure.